Before the video begins, I'd like to say that our friend Sam has two different names as heard in the recording of the Bala segment of this vlog, which is Sam or Brooke. So it isn't two different people, it's the same in St. Edward we all know and love. Enjoy the vlog!
Travels at the tram.
Where are we today, Ryan?
We're here.
Not at the Talyllyn Railway.
Not at the Talyllyn Railway. We're at the Bala Lake Railway. Just further in, like about an hour.
Because it's Tuesday, which is weird for us to be somewhere on a Tuesday.
But I'm off for the week, and I was doing a favour with that one.
Yeah.
That one.
That one. No! What's a Petit Railway? Oh, it's cold.
This area is worshipped by CCTV.
Yeah, weather in powders would be quite imagine.
Train there. Holy War. Doing something on Holy War.
Look at all this rolling stock. It's like that. I bought this fish on nosy. There's a hole there.
Yeah, it is kind of like on my foot.
Trenner. Brought that.
Hi. I've obviously crude this.
No. Yeah.
Oh god, that's very loose. Okay. Of course it is.
Thank you.
Go outside the cab. I don't feel why. I mean, it has got one. They are actually, no, I know what they are. They are pretty much quite decent. Handrails. Holding on to. Somebody spun the block
Oh,
around.
I can't move it. No. Oh. I'm just weak.
No, it's because you didn't release it. There's a click.
Oh.
Release. Because it's not regulated, not like the reverser.
Oh, I'm dumb.
I'll teach you about trains.
Toot toot. No, not that one.
It's the same chain.
Oh. It's got a clap?
This one. I am quite excited for this.
Hello? It's a wagon there.
Explosion.
Kaboom.
I should have bought a piece of chalk from work and wrote kaboom boom on the side.
Sheep there.
We're
Here.
at the
Bala Lake Railway in Northern Wales. And Ryan is eating a jack ever so. Brock is eating. Your nan? Your nan? Oh, and do pizza twist.
What a plot twist!
Do it for the plot.
Well, I am the main character.
Yeah.
Main character is travelling as well too.
And here we see a wild brook. Enjoying the chuff chuffs. Look at that. Brook.
See you on the way back.
See you on the way back.
I'm not happy.
dispersing. What a shame. You let it slip.
What do you mean, what a shame?
What a shame.
Are you enjoying your
Sour
sour
candy.
things? A sour nappy?
Sour candy.
Oh, we got sour nappy. Oh no, you got salmonella.
Again.
Oh.
We're not giving Talyllyn this time. What is going to coming up though is the bank, so you can actually see the ink going up. No, you can just see how received it has. Oh, they've got a big hole.
Oh yeah. Mmm. What's a lovely smell.
Smell that gold. We're here at the Bala Lake Railway in northern Wales. We're driving a train. I lost my sunglasses.
Papa.
Oh, I should probably get them. The train's still moving, isn't it?
Yeah, stop the train.
Where's the handbrake on?
There we
That's
go.
off. Please.
I don't. Okay.
The driver jumped clear. Brake's gone.
So, Brooke,
Lost Brooke.
Brooke was in there.
Brooke was in here,
We were busy over
tinkering
there,
with the smoke box. Probably not meant to.
and we've come back and they're not here. Brooke,
I don't like this.
this is quite. Are you sure they haven't gone on in there?
How the hell would they fit through there?
Oh, that's small enough.
No one can fit through there. You go under an access to the other town.
I've checked round there. They're not round there.
What?
Yeah, we would have. Where have they gone? Are they outside? Because how else would they have got out?
No, but no.
Did you check it out? Where have they gone? Where are they?
I don't even have Brooke's phone number.
I don't have Brooks. Well, you Discord.
What the hell?
What are you doing over there? Gonna get that. So I'm waiting for a train to come because we decided. Well, Brooke decided to follow along the line to watch an engine go past in about 5-ish minutes. And then there's those two up there. I don't know what they're talking about. They could be talking about queer things. I don't know. You never catch me doing that. Houdini.
Straight that.
Where are we, Ryan?
Track gauge looks narrow. Coaches look small. We're not in Wales.
Well, yeah, we're not at Talyllyn.
We're not at the Talyllyn Railway in
Northern Wales.
Is there anything over there? There's a train over there.
Oh, where? Oh, yeah.
We're here at the Statfold Barn Railway
Right.
in Tamworth.
But there's one really, really important thing today. It's
Oh,
a
yeah.
very big day.
2 years of travels.
It's 2 years of Tram travels.
Hooray.
Woo!
With me. I bet you all hate me by now.
Should we get on the train?
Oh, we probably should. But I'm desperate for a piss.
I don't think there's toilets there. Ryan, you got to hold it in.
Brought the longest cable.
Yeah,
hell? Jesus, Harry.
It was planned out, and then I was like, oh, I'll leave it on charge on the computer. Then I turn the computer off, so nothing charged. That was fun.
Train on there.
I charge
Where are we?
Ryan. Tank. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's so much for Tank. Did you just say this was Aldborough West? Yeah. Okay. I don't think it is. Oh, okay. Overlook a little engine.
I love the little West.
I love the modernised Polestar Railway.
It's just the mid-zonal railway.
It's the Mid-Sudal Heritage Railway. Train there.
Trainer.
Another train.
Trainer.
Two trains.
Trainer.
Oh, there is a train there.
Train there.
Three trains.
Dallas, we saw that.
Hey, that's Alice. What's it like in New York City?
No.
We're all getting the models out. And then there's me.
Oh no, Anthony!
You know, 2 years ago, I had a take-along scarlowing at Statfold. Now I have a backwind scarlowing. We truly do live in a time.
Wait, no, I might actually. It's not a lot, but
Ryan, that's the what I do. Oh, hello!
yay! Now I'm one of the. Not really, because it doesn't move.
No,
That's terrible.
It doesn't exactly move.
Doesn't cost £100 either.
It's a bit of a scaling issue.
Yeah, yours are out of scale, I think.
No. Today's trip is sponsored by Monster Energy. Ultra Fiesta Mango. I'm drinking mango.
Oh no.
56,
Thanks, sir.
7. No fucking Sherlock.
That's the best one.
Get right,
Oh no, I meant Reneus, but sure.
If I've got
No! You're buying me another. She does that.
money, I'm broke.
Aaron, do you want something else?
You're alright.
It's alright, I've got IBS, love, it's alright.
Oh no.
And there's Annie. She's living her best life.
What's the difference?
Hi, Annie.
This is me trying to be nice. If you're having a monster, you should gradually become nicer.
Yeah, that is true, actually.
You are what you eat, so become the monster.
Oh, so I'm
What?
because I eat cock. Is that Bertie?
Still. No tram ledge today. Ledge got recorded. But...
Morning.
2 Tram Travels references all in one.
I know, right?
Down the hills and round the bends.
Go for the wall.
Not that way, either,
You need to set it with the trailing wheel. The trailing wheel is the steering.
Say hi, Ryan.
E. Second gear. Full crash. Power. Hang on.
He's got start.
Hi, Ivor.
No! Don't call him that!
You've just cured cancer.
You know, as the famous poet once said, catch me or I go. Houdini.
Sam hadn't listened to that song.
I hadn't listened to it until we went to Bala. And I was like, what the f is the name of that song? And I spent hours looking for it and then found out it was just called Houdini.
Houdini.
That's how I was going to have Ivo before.
Quite full, but actually
I love the valve gear though, how I managed to get it to work.
Do you mind? I'm trying to film either.
Connect
What?
to each other.
Good!
Slap me.
I wasn't going to do it all. Hello.
We're here.
That's
Tapping down. In other words.
and we have Sam, Ryan, him, Kirsty, and then Laura. Oh, and me, of course.
Yes, challenge studios.
Considering that Ryan's the main character.
Yeah, we only just made it to this train.
They were waiting for us.
We made it.
Well, no, we made it like 10 minutes, but it was
3 minutes
the
late.
ticket. Yeah,
We stopped the train by 3 minutes.
yeah.
Ah, well.
Bright light.
They usually run late anyway.
Just means 3 minutes, that's it.
Yeah.
It's not a heritage railway if it's not running late.
It's not. It's trying to keep it.
You mean it's not a railway if it's not running late?
Exactly, it's authentic, it's accurate.
It's a railway series accuracy.
It is indeed.
Slowly being thrown towards Irish.
Hello.
Hi. What's coming up on that side?
Even though it's like 10:30.
Trains. Trains. You've got 3 cameras watching you now to stay in the line.
Do the run.
Is liking femboys gay?
Don't lock agreed.
Do the run.
The hole is a goal, right? Cheerio!
That's the line.
No, not that line. The other line.
The other line.
We're here. No, but we're here. On a railway.
In somewhere. Andreas Paul.
Roblox game.
We're in Andreas Paul.
We're in that movie coach that spawns at Andreas. That's what we're in. But we're also here at the Talyllyn Railway.
Northern Wales. It's like a shot game, but it's not a shot game.
We should watch Tram Travels later and do a shot game.
Yes.
And you
Sure.
have to play that bonus bit because you know
Sam, can you shot Coca-Cola? Or Pepsi?
And literally like...
What could possibly go
Oh,
wrong?
yeah, nothing can go wrong.
Nothing can go wrong with that.
Break.
Stop for God's sake.
Listen. Aaron,
What?
pints.
These pints quickly. Luckily there was an offie nearby.
Soon everyone was passing down lagers, IPAs, pale ales and pincers. Until his thirst was
Quenched.
Aaron's Weatherspoons. Coach.
Coach!
Coach there.
Thank you, Jay. It's not.
Hi.
Thanks for the coach.
Yeah, I got you the thing.
Oh.
The thing. You weren't listening. No.
Oh no, I need to buy all. Oh no, I need to buy like 2 more.
Well, I didn't know which one to get you. I just thought if I get you that one, then you can figure it out for yourself.
It's a good thing I get paid soon. Also got a present from Kirsty in here, which will like
4 2 liveries.
but it's in there. Is that the
Perfect, I
dildo?
can make my doll goth now.
No. Ryan, what are you doing?
No, it's the next service. Every morning.
Might be a bit of a tight squeeze.
Now, I don't think it's that. I've done my PTS training.
PTSD.
And I know there's no train. The train's literally just go. You got your card on you.
Train there. Train.
I've got to lie down to get this one.
Oh, Jason is on his knees.
I mean, that's very about.
Oh, he is for a change. That's good.
It's not working. Yeah, it's a bit broken.
It's okay. We're all a bit broken. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul.
Sorry.
Do 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 do.
What? You down there?
What you need now is your own damn Nash hanging out the brake fan.
Oh yeah.
Because I've got one.
Jay, you're a bit messy.
That's fine.
Well, it's because we joked about making you Dan Nash. I went, no, it's Nan Dash.
Dash.
Just
Oh, I love naan bread.
small. Father and son.
Hang on, I have an idea.
Oh god. You know it's bad when someone has an idea.
Yeah. Usually it involves a mass bodily injury to myself.
Oh. No, that's good.
What?
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 It's not finished yet.
This is his debut.
I love a good
This is his
sniff him.
this is his official debut, isn't it?
Nah.
It smells like paint.
Coke.
I thought you said pee.
Touch the child.
That's assault.
I didn't give you permission. Touch the child.
It's a big day. It's Aaron's birthday tomorrow, so it's
Don't
early
put station.
in northern mid Wales.
Yeah. Kirsty got me a present.
Yeah,
I'm gonna open it and find out what the hell it is.
it's a bomb. It's a bomb, everyone.
got me
I
a-
got Aaron a bomb.
Oh, good. You're going to die.
Jay got me an Arrow Gauge blue coat.
Open it. Open it.
So we're gonna find out. Oh, you brought this one.
Yeah.
Oh, I poked it.
Dog walk, nice.
Why have you got a P4?
I had it for my birthday.
Ooh. Oh hell yeah! Let's go. Oh, it's the brake. I got really worried then. I thought it was just a deposit.
No.
It's Toby's special coat.
Yeah.
Your coach.
Oh, thank you, Kirsty.
You're welcome. Because I know you love your Toby.
I did.
Look at that
that's
guy.
another
He's a
coat.
happy chappy.
There's another coach. I can shove it behind Toby. I can have it where it's Toby Henrietta.
You need
in
more
this.
water.
That's my headcanon Toby special train. There you go.
Hallelujah.
Guys, look, the train's coming.
Oh, no.
Guys, the train's coming. Where do I begin? Hey Ryan.
Hi.
Can we go up that every day? Can we go up that every day? Hi. It's supposed to happen. It wasn't, of course. Goodbye. Don't let it slip. So where the cave is the doll got, we've never actually been in. What is real?
April 2024.
Oh.
Wherever you are, you got to mention.
You're gonna mention. There you are. But we found a cave, and my phone is really finding it hard to actually light the place up. But it goes on a fair bloody bit.
Quite an adventure, isn't it?
It is quite an adventure.
Oh, you walking fine?
It's just a shame I can't actually see properly. Oh, it's boarded up. Ooh, look, rocking.
Oh no, we can't get out.
Help!
Are we down the line now?
That was awful.
Sorry. Sorry.
That was awful.
Sorry.
My dad could have made a better joke than that, Kirsty.
Help! Let us out!
Ow! I just bumped my head on the top. Ow! Oh, that's really careful, guys. It's quite low here.
Intermission.
Yeah, it's quite hello. It's quite low here. Oh, it's very pretty outside
Oh,
there.
look at that. See how the water's dripping over there?
Where?
Here.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, I can imagine.
Thought that rock had a face though.
They do say that rock faces are a thing.
Boulder's moving.
Don't be so stupid. It can't.
Did you just give me the eyebrows?
I got a really cool pic in the cave. Not the club, the cave.
I was going to say that's not.
These lot found underwear in that cave that we went in.
I told Kirsty.
Yeah.
Kirsty was there when I told
Kirsty,
her.
are they yours?
See, that's where I was leading to.
I beg your pardon.
I can't believe we found some kind of underwear strap in the cave. Someone's been dogging.
Dogging it, dog up.
I like how the next photo before that is just Ivy and me. I go from quality to
That.
I assume a quality time.
Literal dog.
Woof woof. Look, Ryan's become the next Tram Travel.
I'm vlogging for Sam.
Yeah,
Vlogging the vlogging.
Inception.
I mean, to be fair, Ryan is the main character.
Fuck it.
I should just do my own vlog series called Ryan's Ramblings. No, that sounds
Ryan
like
travels.
that sounds like a dingy series.
Ryan's.
Hey Ryan, as,
Ryan on route.
Ryan's real life adventures.
as the poet once said, fuck it, do it for the plot.
I like
I
Ryan.
love Katie Bates.
Really do love
Ryan
Katie
on
Bates.
route.
Hello.
Oh, for sure.
I don't know
Ryan
which
was
one to look at.
surprised.
To the right.
Ryan was angry.
Ryan was happy. Ryan was pissed.
That's just generally
Every day.
generally me.
Yeah, that's just it.
Ryan is pissed off at Aaron.
Again, normally me.
Oh my god.
Mark pushed me. I don't want to go yet. I actually went pretty fast then.
Child.
I tried my best.
Come on, Morris.
Send the bag down.
I hope that's not got models then.
How it positioned itself.
Oh. Full. Oh. Come on, Jay, your turn.
Yeah, Morris did. Jay sensible? Never.
Yeah, check. Yeah.
Have you just noticed? Also, look at the fucking.
Oh, it's got eyes.
Oh.
Whee!
Fucking hell, that's quick. Go on, Mark. Mark, what happened last
Come on, Mark.
What happened last time you went down?
Aaron, you have to have a go.
I'm not having a go. Bunch of children.
The children, they're all children.
That's a Terror 55 Stepneys reference. This is a very bad angle.
And we go up that every day.
Go on, climb up it. Go on, quickly. Go on, Ryan. Go on. Go on, Ryan. You can do it. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. And we go up that every day.